In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now you can select Settings at the bottom right corner. And over here you can disable auto sign-in and offer to save passwords. But you can also go back and click on this switcher next to use autofill with Google to turn it off completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!